These are some of the best camera settings that you can try out on your Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. To get amazing quality, go to Settings in Camera app. Tap on Intelligent Optimization. Now choose Maximum if you want the best possible quality. But you might get blurry shots due to a lot of processing going on. And if you tap on Minimum, you can always capture the scene with lowest possible blur. Make sure Scene Optimizer is turned off. This will make sure that all your photos have that natural color and saturation. Scene Optimizer will make your photos look more saturated. That's why I keep this option turned off. Then turn on this Shot Suggestions option. You'll get suggestions on how to get straight and aligned shots. You'll also get lens cleaning suggestion. Something like this is also there on iOS 26. If you want to get cinematic moody shots, you can try Samsung's built-in camera filters. You can further tweak them, like changing saturation, contrast, and more. You can download more filters by tapping on this download icon. One filter that I use a lot is Cardiff. But if you like any image, then just screenshot that image and make your own filter out of that image. So do check it out. Now moving back to camera settings, I keep this option turned on for selfies. Now scroll down and tap on Composition Guide. Choose Grid Lines and Level. You'll get a leveler in your camera app. This helps a lot to get those straight shots. Samsung has added a new option in One UI 8 for swipe. Before you could only use this option to switch between front and back cameras. But now you can use it to open quick controls. I use selfie camera a lot, so I keep it to switch cameras. Next, in shooting methods, keep these settings as it is and turn on floating shutter option. This helps a lot to access your shutter with one hand. You can simply drag that shutter to anywhere on screen. Then you have to download an app from Galaxy Store, and this is the Camera Assistant app. This app gives you some more options. Just open the app and make sure Auto HDR is enabled. Then leave these settings as it is and turn on Quick Tap Shutter. It says take pictures as soon as you touch the shutter. So those were some basic camera settings that you should try out to get amazing shots. 12 megapixel by default is the sweet spot, so make sure you keep that. If you want to go ahead one more step, you can download the Expert RAW app. This app gives you full control over your camera app. You can shoot RAW, JPEGs, and both RAW and JPEGs. Plus it also has an astrophotography mode that helps a lot to take awesome night sky shots. So that was all about for this video. Let me know in the comments that which setting you are using right now. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.